Hello, I'm Chris Rollison, founder and managing director of CSRA. Today I'm excited to share our vision for the next stage of social business in which core enterprise functions begin to transform. Thank you for exploring and giving your feedback. Over the past 6 years, we've advised commercial, government, and nonprofit enterprises in planning, launching, and growing their social media presences. In most cases, the marketing or communications function has led the initiative, and the goals have been oriented towards public relations more than direct sales. We believe that early adopters' other business functions will begin to use social technologies to evolve in 2012 and beyond. To help them, we've created social business services, and I'm pleased to unveil the first one, Sales and Business Development, to you today. Social business services distill our best practices developed while serving B2B and B2C clients. They use the social network roadmap and feature a graduated approach to ROI. They begin with simple actions that aim to produce business meaningful results. This enables us to build momentum before tackling more complex and valuable stages later. The social business evolution of B2B sales begins with prepare, when we define and prioritize prospects and their relevant online activities. We also create custom search tools that we use to measure our impact in real time. Execution has 3 stages. Harvest leads has the team engaging prospects that are late in their decision-making process. The team advises prospects without selling, thereby attracting some of them into the sales funnel. Grow leads is a larger market. Here the team engages prospects who are in the process of choosing a solution type. By constantly adding value, the team proves itself as a trusted advisor. The goal is to build reputation and become a preferred go-to resource. Plant leads drives furthest back into prospects' decision-making, where they are recognizing and defining problems. The team showcases its deep and broad expertise in the problem and its business impact, thereby becoming strongly preferred over time. B2B sales usually means complex products and services. It has a long, costly sales cycle in which sales professionals attempt to show their trustworthiness and relevance. Social business changes the game because while the team directly advises prospects who are asking questions or offering comments online, they also influence observers who are 10 times more numerous on average. Now let's drill down. Prepare has 2 key elements, strategy and tools. In strategy, we define and rank prospects in their online activities. We also produce realistic project and staffing plans. In most cases, we create teams with volunteers, each of whom covers a specific topic. This keeps their time investment small. CSRA also programs highly specialized search tools that filter social venues for high-priority prospects and their relevant activities. We load the searches into our desktop monitoring console that enables us to respond to prospects wherever their conversations appear. Strategy enables the team to be very focused and an order of magnitude more efficient than competitors. This is critical in the struggle for mind share, which is a marathon, not a sprint. Notably, strategy also serves as a feasibility study. Although unlikely in 2012, we may find no relevant conversations online. If so, we stop here and use our strategic understanding and tools to follow adoption patterns. Then we can move when prospects are accessible in the future. In Stage 1, Harvest Leads, the team focuses on buy-oriented conversations where prospects are comparing brands, product lines, contract options, etc. These leads are ripe, so competition for their attention is highest. The team attracts leads into the existing funnel while building trust in relevant social venues. Observers are also likely to be leads at some point, so the team strives to influence them as well. Since well-qualified B2B leads usually cost hundreds if not thousands of dollars and months of time, getting similar quality leads online at a fraction of the monetary and time costs can be an eye-opener. Think of Harvest Leads as a pilot of the whole concept. The team will get its hands dirty and learn the pragmatics of how social business can apply to their book of business. Grow Leads addresses a much larger market with less competition. Here, the team takes the opportunity to demonstrate its product and service expertise and business acumen to a wider range of discussion topics. When they prove their sincere desire to add value without selling, they will become more trusted and preferred. These prospects enter the funnel earlier in the sales cycle. Social venues are often public, so the team can share its interactions on websites and in proposals. Examples of the team advising prospects in social venues can be very compelling to prospects elsewhere. Note that our analytical tools let us measure results of our interactions. For example, we develop a hierarchy of social actions for each venue. When the team is new to a venue, its social actions will be on the lower part of the hierarchy. As the team becomes more trusted, members of the venue will engage in higher order social actions with them. The hierarchy of social actions is a cornerstone of measuring the team's progress towards conversion. Plant lead sources pre-leads that are asking for help early in their problem definition. The team gets in early and adds the most value because they can address the widest breadth of issues. They can influence the largest audience by proving their value over time. They qualify and attract leads in the earliest stages of the sales process. Once they've established themselves in select venues, they can ask other members advice and get new ideas for services, products, or other innovations. They can hold discussions about certain aspects of product design or use. This also increases their stature in the venues. Plant leads aims to become strongly preferred. Since the team has proven its value over time, they will attract the largest audience into the sales funnel. When they are strongly preferred, they can often avoid standard procurement processes and competitor pressure subject to governance policies. They can often enjoy higher margins. I've spent my whole career in professional services serving B2B and B2C clients. This experience leads me to believe, although B2B adoption has been slow, it will accelerate quickly over the next few years. Even if most of a firm's clients and prospects are not active in social venues, it can still use social business to convert the portion that is at a far lower cost. Moreover, it's important to begin evolution early to accommodate organizational learning needs. I vividly recall B2B executives resisting what we used to call the internet. They used similar arguments as they use today when talking about social business. Social business services have been designed to make evolution easy because they produce results incrementally. But now I'd like to get your thoughts. Please join the discussion via the URL below. Thanks for listening.